Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what I got here today for you guys. Today we're going to talk scale. A lot of people don't understand scale and they come in here and arguing with me about scale. So without any further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and tell all your friends about me. Okay, 1/5 scale, 1/8 scale, 1/10 scale. Bigger number, smaller car. 1/5 scale, if you take a real car and slice it 5 times, you get a bigger chunk. Slice it 8 times, you get a bigger chunk, but smaller than that. Cut it 10 times, you're gonna get a much smaller chunk, but it's gonna be smaller than that and smaller than that. That being said, time, it's a run time also. All those things gonna run exactly the same, and you're looking at about 300, 600, 900, okay? Dollars. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe okay, 25 minutes if you put very big battery, but not more than that. Lately a lot of people complain, why is my car don't drive for an hour? Because they don't invent yet the nuclear battery, people. It's not exist. You get 15 to 20 minutes high performance. When you run 60 miles an hour, you cannot expect it to run 60 miles an hour for 1 hour. That's being said, let's talk about common sense. If you live in Los Angeles and you bought yourself the new Tesla car and you want to drive from Los Angeles to Vegas, after you charge your Tesla at home for a couple hours and you waste so much electricity for it, you get into the car and you start driving. About 230 miles out of Los Angeles, you're not even in Vegas yet, you're not even in state line, you will have to stop your car for 3 hours and charge it. This car that you bought costs you $100,000. So please don't complain about car that costs $600 that don't drive more than 20 minutes. Okay people, I'm wrapping it up. Just something that I'm dealing with lately that is really annoying, and I'm trying to educate people about it. But the response that I get when you tell people that the car is not running that long is that it's my fault. So that's it. I made a video to explain it. I'm gonna put a disclaimer sign because someone claimed that I don't have a sign that say how long cars are running, and it's misleading for the customer. So for you, my special customer that you know who you are, I'm making this special video. What else do you want? Okay, don't forget, like, subscribe and share. I'm trying to make it funny because it's really frustrating to try to actually help people that don't understand how stuff work and don't want to listen. See you on my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. And again, I'm giving you the tip. Next week we get in the Arma Felony speedrun car. Very cool, very fast car, 80 miles an hour. Look like a little bit like the King Block Mustang, but it's not a Mustang. It's something else that they put together. We will have them. We're doing pre-order right now. Come and get one.